Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you get into another tutorial video. So have you ever watched our previous video that show you the tutorial to add more or add the multiple columns or multiple rows in a Microsoft Excel only in seconds? And here from the Google Spreadsheet actually will allow you to add more several columns and the rows, but it will also show you the different look here. Let's say I will show you the example here. I have prepared the table about the ticket booking, and let's say I will add three columns for this table. Then I will start it to block the column of CDE here that contains three columns, and I will give it a right click. And as you can see here, the option is different with the Microsoft Excel. Here you can add three columns at as much as the column I have been dragged for. And if I click this insert three columns to the right, then it will be placed after the column E. And if we insert the three columns left, then it will be placed between this column B and C. Let's say I will try it from the three columns left, and there you go. Here's the look, guys. So there are three columns between the date booking. It was here column F was placed previously in the column C, and the B is the reference here. And as you can see, there are three columns already been added between the column B and F here. And let's say if we would like to add several rows between or after this row of 7, then actually you can add it manually. Click one row below and there you go. And let's say you would like to add three columns after the row of 7, then I will click. Let's say I will start it from this row. Hold it with your mouse and I will add three rows. I will give the right click and we can try to add the three rows above. Okay, as you can see here, the three rows or blank rows will be placed three upper the previous columns. Here initially was the column 7, and after it was added by three columns, then it will be moved to the column of 10 here. And what if we add the rows 3 below, and there you go. This is the look. The three columns will be added right after the rows of 9. 1, 2, 3 here. There you go. Please don't forget to practice on your device or on your platform, and please inform us that this trick also worked for you guys. That's all from me. I hope this video helpful for you guys, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget and don't be hesitant to put it on the comment down below, and I would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.